Hi guys, my 1111 records. First is contact lens. Yan. Ito siya. Contact lens with contact lens and without contact lens. This is from Magister. Pag bumili kayo ng contact lens, may kasama na siyang lens case. Available from graded to non-graded colored contact lenses. For dry screen, Casper Heal Repair Moisturizer. Pero sa akin, ginagamit ko siyang, pwede siyang pang primer. For sunscreen, Pretty Jean Wear Sunscreen. Wala na siyang pero gamit na gamit ko kasi siya. Amoy baby powder. For concealer and color corrector, get ready with me. Try natin tong macadamia. No more leak kasi mas maliit na yung bibig niya. Bibig. Mas malalim na din. Recommend ko rin tong sponge ng Get Ready With Me. Maganda siya pang blend. Pwede gamitin basa or tuyo. Blend, blend, blend. Naku-cover niya talaga yung mga dark spots. Mga uneven colors like that. And everything. Get ready with me. For my base, Get Ready With Me Skin Tint, the daily skin tint. I'm in the shade Macadamia. Available in minis and regular size. Gamit tayo ng spatula. Look at the coverage, guys. Walang bigat yan. Hindi siya mabigat sa mukha. For my lip prep, Vice Cosmetics, Skin